Hi there, welcome to our review of the YRU car phone holder mount. This is an essential accessory for any driver who wants to use their phone safely and conveniently while on the road. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at the features and benefits of this product so you can decide if it's the right option for you. The YRU car phone holder mount is a high-quality, durable phone mount that attaches to your car's dashboard using strong suction cups. The suction cups have been upgraded to provide an impressive 80 lbs of holding power, so you can be sure that your phone will be secure even on bumpy roads. The installation process is quick and easy. Simply clean the dashboard surface, attach the suction cups, and adjust the mount to your desired viewing angle. The holder is compatible with most smartphones, including iPhones and Android devices. Once installed, the YRU car phone holder mount provides a safe and secure way to use your phone while driving. The mount features a 360-degree rotation, so you can adjust the viewing angle to suit your needs. The holder is also height adjustable, making it easy to use your phone for navigation or to take hands-free calls. One of the standout features of this phone mount is its durability. The holder is made from high-quality materials that are designed to withstand daily wear and tear, so you can be sure it will last for years to come. When you are ready to remove the YRU car phone holder mount, simply pull on the release tab to break the suction seal. The suction cups will leave no residue or damage on your dashboard, making this a safe and easy accessory to use. In summary, the YRU car phone holder mount is a great accessory for anyone who wants to use their phone safely and conveniently while driving. With its strong suction cups, adjustable viewing angles, and durable construction, this phone mount is sure to provide reliable performance for years to come. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and recommendations.